Bloody hell, I'm glad I saved my Weight Watchers points for this. Ciao Bella, welcome to my kitchen, my cucina should I say. And cheers, it's a bit of the old Italiano again. I am making an amazing recipe today. It's so delicious and it's got a lovely twist all about the presentation. So we're going to start with the risotto base. So I've got some olive oil here and some celery, some onion and some garlic. So I'm just going to fry this up until it's nice and soft. So I'm just going to get that on the hob. Once that's soft, we're going to start adding our risotto rice. So we'll just come back in a few minutes when it's soft. Ooh, coming along nicely there, looking good. Just going to prepare my dinner for tonight while I'm waiting for that to cook. I actually am. What I'm going to do is pop in a whole packet of risotto rice here, 500 grams, into my onion, celery and garlic. Just cook this off for 2 or 3 minutes so the rice starts to go a bit translucent. I forgot to tell you, I've added some porcini mushrooms, just some dried ones to that. Secret ingredient to my risottos, bit of marmite, a nice big tablespoon. I'm going to put this in now, just at the base, so the rice absorbs all that lovely marmitey flavour. Look at that, that's going in. Secondly, you don't have to add this, but I always do in risotto. You can have some nice white wine. I'm just going to put a lovely bit of vermouth in here. Let's add in about a generous glassful here. That smells heavenly. I'm going to just keep massaging my rice, so you know, every minute I'm going to massaging. Dan's laughing. Have you never massaged rice before, Dan? You've not lived. Every time the liquid's been absorbed, I'm going to add some boiling water in the kettle. I'm also going to pop in a couple of stock jelly things. So now what I'm going to do is just keep adding water, and I'm going to cook it for about sort of 25 to 30 minutes until all of that lovely flavour is absorbed into the risotto. So we'll come back in half an hour. I love that. Oh, it's lovely. I've added about half a pint of liquid to this, and you can see I've been massaging my rice and it's quite dry. So now what I'm going to do is just keep adding more water, so just like a little bit like this, and then just stir it in. So I don't want it to get too wet, and I'm just going to then cook that back off a couple of minutes and then repeat, and I'm going to keep doing that until it's all lovely and tender and al dente. So a little bit longer to go. I'm going to prepare my bundt tin. So I've got some melted butter, so literally just get into all of those crevices. Stir my risotto at the same time. Well, butter my bundt tin, I'll be jollied. So I've got that nice and coated there. Hello! So now I've got some grated Parmesan cheese and it's mixed with some plain flour. So now I'm going to generously, liberally chuck that all in my tin, and that's going to make a lovely, crispy, cheesy coating. As soon as my risotto rice is ready, it's cooled down a bit, we can pack it in. So we shall be back shortly. Oh, I smelled my cheese! So I'm just going to spoon it all in, and I've got a little secret coming up here, which is very exciting. So that's a nice layer there. I've got some mozzarella pearls, so I'm going to put some hidden gems inside here. Look at that, just dotted about, so when we cut into it we might get a little nice pocket of melted cheese if we're lucky. Continue layering that up, and I'm just going to add another couple of layers of mozzarella cheese, get it nice and full. So this is going to go in the oven now at 180 to 200 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's nice and crunchy. In it goes. I hope it's going to work, I hope it's going to turn out. Oh, that sound means only one thing. It's either worked or it's flopped all over the place. Here we go. Oh my goodness! Oh my... Hallelujah! So I'm now going to decorate it. So I've got these things here. I've got some lovely tomato sauce, which I've made, lovely just tomato and garlic, and we've got some fresh pesto and some basil. Generously slathering on around the top of my bunt. I can't see the front bit, but hopefully there's a little bit of drippage. And now for a lovely bit of pesto. A little bit of Parmesan. This is my favourite kind of cake. Bundt and savoury. Look at it. A little bit of basil. Does that look good? Does it look amazing? It smells amazing. Now's the time to cut into it and see what it looks like. I think we're all going to demolish this because it's a bit of a late lunch for us. Oh my God, it's so satisfying. Oh, lovely. Here it comes. Look at that. We got the cheese. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, wow. This is a thing of dreams. Let me just quickly wash my fingers. Oh, that cheesy bit, look. Oh, I'm just gonna do it. Bit of the tomato sauce. Look at that. I want to marry you. That is one of the nicest things I've ever eaten. Everything you need to make that is just down there. The recipe's down there for you. Hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you soon. Bye. Lola and Dan, you've got to come and try this. Oh, bloody hell, I'm glad I saved my Weight Watchers points for this.